sheet in order for you not to print it anymore but be able to edit it using your iPhone or iPad or any gadget you have. For me, I'm using an iPhone. I'm also using an iPad to edit my children's worksheet for them to be able to edit it by themselves and post it to their Class Dojo Portfolio. So what you're going to do is take a picture of your child's worksheet. You can do it in two ways. First is you're going to screenshot it, or the other one is you're just going to, for example, this worksheet. What I'm gonna do is to press it, and you're going to be able to save this picture in your photos. Screenshot it by pressing the home button and the on-off button of your iPad or iPhone. After that, it will be saved to your photos. And in your photos, what you're going to do is tap on this edit. You will see a 3 button on the upper right part of your device. Tap that one. Tap the markup button, and you're gonna see different tools that you will use in order to edit the worksheet. You can tap this pen. You decide what are you gonna use. Is it thin, thick, or the thickest one? You can also change the color if you like. If you want red, you can change the color that you like and start editing it. You can zoom it and start writing the answer. There's also another way how to edit this one. Tap this add button at the lower right corner of your device. You can see there's text, signature, magnifier. Tap on text, and you can move this text wherever you want to move it. Tap it again, edit, and that's one you're going to edit the text. Okay, so if you want to do it the same way on the other, this also has eraser. If you want it to duplicate this one, tap it again and press duplicate. Put it down here. Edit. And write the correct answer again. It's the same thing. If you want to change the font, tap this one, edit, and then the same thing. Go here, text. You are going to, if you want to change the color, choose color that you like. And if you want to change the font size, tap this small a and letter A on the left corner down part of your gadget. If you want to change the font, you can just choose, and then you can adjust this one. It will become bigger, smaller, okay. And that's it. Let's try. Tap edit, put the answer. Okay, so when you're done, click done, and that's it. You can take a screenshot of it again if you like, or press done. It will be saved in your photos. Now, if you want to submit this one, go to Class Dojo and go to your child's portfolio. Now you will see here, okay, I'll show you. There is activities over here. Tap that one, create new photo, and tap this. You will be led to your photo. Select, and that's it. Okay, and check. Now write something about this one. Example, practice worksheet on telling the time. And you're going to press this arrow and it will be sent to your child's teacher. Okay, that's it for today. I hope this video helped you on how to edit your child's worksheet to post on Portfolio.